Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install Flatpak on Linux. So in order to install Flatpak on Linux, at the beginning we'll go into official Flatpak website in order to see the instruction how to install it. So I will open the browser. For me it will be Firefox because it is installed by default on my Ubuntu distributions, and right now we can in the search bar type in Flatpak and press enter. Here is the official Flatpak site. I will press on it, and right there we have to press on get setup. And right there we have to choose our Linux distribution. For me it will be this because I'm on the Ubuntu. If you are using some different distribution, I guess it is Fedora, I think, yes, this is some other OpenSUSE, and the other, for example, Arch Linux. You have to use your own distribution, so you have to choose that. I will choose Ubuntu because I am using Ubuntu, and right here I have all the instructions that I need to use. As you can see, we have to copy some comments, so we have to open the terminal. So I will go into terminal, and the first thing I will show you is how to check if your Flatpak is installed. So Flatpak -- version will show us if our Flatpak is installed. So comment Flatpak not found, but can be installed with sudo install Flatpak. This is the first comment from there. So we can copy that and paste that right there and press enter. Of course, because we use sudo, we have to type in our password. So I will type it in, and now do you want to continue? We have to type in Y and press enter because we want to continue. Y basically stands for yes. And now we have to wait a bit. And right now we can move to the second comment, install GNOME software Flatpak plugin. It's sudo install GNOME software plugin Flatpak. We can copy that again and paste right there. We'll press enter, press Y again, and we will wait. And the last one, I think, yes, the last comment is at the Flatpak repository, so we have to also copy that, we have to paste that, and right now we have to wait and type in our password because authentication is required, as you can see, so we have to type in our password, and our repository is created. And right now we have to restart our system in order to finish our installation, so I will restart it. And right here press on restart, and I will go back to you after my system will be restarted. Basically I will go back to you at the login page. So as you can see, I'm at the login page, so I can type in my password, and after the login we will first check if our Flatpak is installed by typing in Flatpak -- version, and later I will show you how to install some applications using this tool. So first of all I will type in Flatpak -- version. As you can see, Flatpak 1.14.6 is installed, and now we can move on to installation. I will show you how to do it. Again, we have to open our browser, and right now we have to wait a bit for it to start, and this is our flatpak.org site, but in order to install some installation we have to go on the Flathub site, Flathub like this, and press enter. Flathub.org. It is the place where we can basically see and install our applications. So for example, I will go into popular, and maybe I will install the VLC media player, the open source multimedia player. How can you install the application? Basically you have to press on it, and right there you have install. It is in Polish, but that means install, and right there you have the manual installation, and right there you have a comment. You have to copy this comment and you have to paste it in your terminal. So you have this comment, and right now your Flatpak is installed. This comment will only work if your Flatpak -- version will show you some version. If you basically have to have your Flatpak installed. So basically you have to do all the steps that I did before. And right now I can press enter. This is not important, and I can press Y. I want to install, and again Y because I want to install it. And right now, as you can see, we have our installation. This installation I think may take some time because it is like 10 packages. As you can see, this package has 145. This package is less than 145. This maybe, if it will take too long, I will pause the video, same as with the restart, but we will wait a bit for now and we will see how is it working. Maybe I will go back to this site and I will show you some other tools. So for example, you can install Firefox, Google Chrome, Discord, Spotify for example. As you can see, if we will go into Spotify and press on install, you also have the command that you can use, same as I did with VLC. I will go back to here. We are on the second or the 7th, 8th. Maybe it not will be necessary to pause the video, but we will see. It's on the 20%. Maybe I will pause it and I will go back to you after the installation will be completed, to not waste your time. And as you can see, my installation is on the last step, 10 out of 10. So, and at 62%, so we can wait together in order to be finished. It took around 5 minutes, so it was good that I stopped this video for a while. I didn't waste too many time. But right now it's 98%, 100%. So, and the installation is complete. And how to run this program? The first way is to go into your apps basically, and you have the icon right there, VLC Media Player. You can click on it and run it like a normal program. But you have the second option. The second option is right there, also at the install section, but there is this section that basically means run, and you can copy this run command and paste it right here. And if you press enter, your program will also start. So you have basically two ways to open your program after the installation. And that's basically all, how you can use and install basically Flatpak on Linux. If you found the video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.